Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you an updated way to find the phone number associated with your Gmail account. It's a simple process, so let's get started right away. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. This works whether you're on an iPhone or an Android device. Once the app is open, look for the three horizontal lines, usually located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on these lines to open the menu. In that menu, you'll see a Settings option. Scroll down until you find it, and then tap Settings. This will take you to a list of your Gmail accounts. Choose the account you want to check by tapping on it. From here, you'll be brought to your account settings. Look for Manage Your Google Account. It might be located under your account name. Tap on Manage Your Google Account to proceed. Now, you're in the main settings area for your Google account. On the top of the screen, you'll see several tabs like Home, Personal Info, Data and Privacy, and so on. Tap on Personal Info. Scroll down the Personal Info page until you find the Phone section. Here, you'll see the phone number that is linked to your Gmail account. If you want to change it, you can tap on the number. It will display what the number is, and if you want to remove it, tap the trash can icon. Or tap the pencil icon if you wanted to edit it to a new phone number. You'll then need to go through the verification process again. And that's it. You've successfully found the phone number associated with your Gmail account. This is a handy way to double-check that your account information is up to date and secure. Keeping your information current helps with account recovery if you ever get locked out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If it did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.